So, the most expensive cities for rent in Canada ay ito lang. Number 5 is Oakville. It's in Ontario. Shout out kay Phil, Bob, my brother. He lives in Oakville. And number 4 is Mississauga. Most expensive cities for rent in Canada. Shout out to my mom, Jen, Jasper, who lives in Mississauga. And number 3 is Burnaby. That's in BC here. Top 3. And then number 2 is Toronto. Top 2. And you know what the number 1 most expensive city for rent in Canada? It's Vancouver, for the nice weather, nice summer. Yeah, it's perfect summer weather over there. It's gorgeous during summertime. And winter time it could be gloomy and rain. It just rains for maybe a couple days and then it stops. So, but it's temperate weather. But just don't have they don't have any winter tires, or it's not required. So when they had the winter snow and everything stops. But I saw yung mga kids are having fun sledding and stuff, but yung mga normal buses and stuff, especially hilly doon, no? So yan ang top 5 natin na for rent in the whole Canada. So 2 in British Columbia and 3 in Ontario. So yun, ayos.